I don't have the time. My work schedule is just too demanding. There's no way I can do both. Ever felt this way about investing in the stock market? What if I told you I have the solution? The secret to making the stock market a very profitable side hustle. A strategy that can allow you to essentially trade on autopilot. Interested? We've got you covered. Our mission is to help you build wealth one video at a time. Welcome to the vault. What's going on, family? It's your favorite headless YouTuber back again with a brand new video. As always, before we get into it, let's get started with some Monday motivation. Time is free, but it's priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. Once you've lost it, you can never get it back. All we have to do is decide what to do with the time given to us. This week's video is going to be a good one. What we'll talk about today is how to go about investing in the stock market part-time. Investing and trading in the market doesn't have to be an all-day, everyday commitment. Believe it or not, you can make the stock market just a side hustle for you. We'll talk about the 4 key things you must do to essentially trade the market on autopilot. If you're new to the channel and like what you see so far, show us some love by liking the video, subscribing, and making sure notifications are turned on so you don't miss any new content. Also, down in the description, you will find a link to receive our upcoming free mini course, The Mind of a Master Trader, directly to your email. The information in this course applies to stocks, futures, forex, and even cryptocurrencies, and is sure to take your investing and trading to the next level regardless of your level of experience. This course is set to release this Friday, October 15th, and without further ado, let's get it. The first key to autopilot trading is making a trading plan. A huge part of consistent success when investing in the stock market part-time is to always have a plan.
No offense, but how?
Creating a trading plan is a pretty simple task. You just want to ask yourself these 4 questions. What are my investment goals? Looking for returns daily, weekly, monthly, or more long-term? What do I actually have available to invest? The suggested method is to only invest 30% of your net worth. But will you be more aggressive or conservative in your approach?
The choice is yours.
How much am I willing to risk per trade? Remember, proper risk management is vital to your success in the market. We cover it briefly in our very first video on the channel, so go check that out if you haven't already. The 4th and final question, what profit percentage will I take consistently? Greed is easily public enemy number 1 in the market, so this is important. Be reasonable. If you recall from part 3 of our stocks and options breakdown series where we covered the power of doubles, taking a consistent percentage on every trade can easily grow your account to unimaginable amounts. As you know from previous videos, our motto inside the vault is to always plan your trade and trade your plan. What this means is that you always want to know exactly when you're getting in and when you're getting out. And in doing so, you eliminate the influence your emotions have in your trading. Well, how can I time my entries and exits while I'm busy at work? The answer to that, my friend, can be found with our 2nd key. Now that you have your trading plan and you know when you want to get in, you need to make sure you don't miss your desired entries on your stocks. The best way to do this is by setting chart alerts. Honestly, I recommend this to all types of traders because I personally find it very helpful in not missing entries on stocks in my watch list. To do this though, you have to have a trading plan and a good understanding of technical analysis, especially things like support, resistance, and trend lines. Luckily for you, we've covered these concepts on the channel.
I have been very blessed. I'm very lucky.
After you've charted a stock, you can set your alerts at or near your trend lines and support and resistance levels. Remember that the basic idea is to buy at support and sell at resistance. We will do a full tutorial trading view on the channel at some time in the future, but for now, let's take a look at what it looks like to set a chart alert on this platform. All we need to do is click on a line and click here to add an alert on the line. Now we can change the condition that would trigger the alert. For now, we'll leave it at crossing. Here, you choose the frequency of the alert. I recommend the once per minute option because it forces you to open the TradingView app to stop it from blowing up your phone or email. This way, you have to take a look at what's happening in the stock that you were alerted about.
Message!
What do you want from me? Huh?
The expiration is typically defaulted out to about 90 days. I've never personally had to change it, but our trading strategy could be different. So if you needed to make it last any longer than that, you would need a premium subscription. So I'll leave that up to you. Next, you have the choice of how you will be alerted. In order to receive alerts on your phone, all you have to do is download the free TradingView app and log in. Last but not least, you can name the alert for what it'll say when you get the notification. Make it something that'll catch your attention no matter what else you may be doing. Once you hit create, you wait.
Bars.
TradingView will now alert you whenever the conditions of this alert are met. This is a powerful tool for the busy investor and trader. Okay, this is great, but now how do I get out of the trade at my target profit percentage? That question leads us to our third key, using limit sell orders. After you've made your trading plan and set your chart alerts, the third key to investing in the market part-time is using limit sell orders. A limit sell order is basically you telling the market what price you want to sell your shares or your options for. The beauty of them is that you can set the price at your profit target and the market will automatically sell at the price as soon as it hits. No extra work on your part needed whatsoever.
Oh, I like that.
Let's take a look at this Robinhood example with an option play. The first step is to actually buy the option, because remember, we shouldn't be selling unless you already own it. After you own it, the first thing you'll do is select trade and then sell. From here, you enter how many you want to sell. For this example, we'll only be selling one. Then you select the price you want to sell it for. Let's say you bought this contract for 30 cents per share, or $30 since we know there are 100 shares per contract. And according to your trading plan, your profit target is 100%. Now, if you don't see the problem with that, we'll address that later. But let's run with it for now. You take a calculator and find out what 100% of 30 cents is. And hopefully you get 30 cents. Now you'll add 30 cents plus 30 cents and you'll get a limit sale price of 60 cents. This is what you'll enter here. And click on the gear in the top right corner and enable good till cancel so it doesn't cancel your order at the end of the trading day. Now you review and send the order. When this option contract reaches your profit target, it will automatically sell and you won't have to lift a finger. Now, remember when I said be reasonable when deciding what percentage gain you would take consistently? I think it goes without saying that expecting to double every trade with 100% returns is far from reasonable. I personally do very well with a 15 to 25% expectation, especially with options trading. Hopefully you can see how beneficial this tool can be to you as a part-time trader. You're not spending all day staring at charts or watching your positions. You can live your life and still be consistently profitable in the market. You're probably thinking, man, this is pretty cool, but there's no way it's really this easy. What's the catch? No catch. I promise it's not meant to be hard. You just have to be aware, and that's what we're here for. With your trading plan, chart alerts, and limit sale orders, you now have everything you need to start investing in the stock market part-time, essentially on autopilot.
But I'm not finished yet. Gotta be kidding. There's more.
Don't forget, I said there are 4 key things you must do. The 4th and final key is to trade and invest with tunnel vision. It's very easy to feel like you need to catch every move in the market and trade every stock constantly, but doing so does not make you a better trader. It actually worsens the quality of your trades. Trading too many stocks, especially at the same time, can be very overwhelming and difficult to manage, especially when you're not a full-time trader or investor. I've found that it's much better to find a handful of great companies and really get to know them. What makes them tick? Any pet peeves? Where have they been? Where are they going? What's their favorite color? What you'll find is that you'll have more confidence when trading those stocks because you'll have a better understanding of how and why they move. This will increase the success rate of your trades. Okay, now let's recap. Investing in the stock market is a skill that anyone can take advantage of. Being too busy and not having enough time is just not a viable excuse. Even the busiest of people can start investing in the stock market part-time by, number 1, making a trading plan, which is your blueprint for your trading strategy. Number 2, setting chart alerts so you receive notifications when stocks are in your buy zones. Number 3, using limit sell orders to automatically close your position with your desired profit. Number 4, investing with tunnel vision, focusing on a small number of stocks to increase your success rate and maximize profit potential. And that'll do it for today's video. Tune in next week when we continue our series on reading and understanding the stock charts by taking a deep dive into candlesticks. I promise you're not going to want to miss this one. Until then, remember, don't be afraid to fail, because it is in the darkness where we learn to appreciate the light. No battle is won without a fight. Failure should only change the strategy, never the goal. If you've enjoyed this video and want us to make more videos more often, you know what to do. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to use the link in the description to get access to our free mini course, The Mind of a Master Trader, set to release this Friday, October 15th. Also, comment below your thoughts and questions to let us know how we can continue to improve the channel. This channel and all of its content is made for you. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.